As we celebrate Christmas, we also would like to recognize and appreciate the invaluable contribution of our dearest brokers, agents, salesperson for giving their best efforts to contribute to our sales performance this year. Your support, trust, and confidence in our projects has continued to inspire and drive us to develop and offer more quality projects to meet and even exceed your clients' or customers' expectations.
I want to share this message. If I quit 10 years ago, I won't be here tonight. So in the face of adversity and challenges, don't quit. And if you're struggling right now, it feels like there's no more hope, never give up. And put God first before everything. Thank you, everyone.
All of you in this room were able to hit and even surpass our targets from the projects that we have, going beyond expectations, resulting to a better year for all of us in spite of the challenges. Thank you everyone, thank you family and friends. This is what we choose to celebrate tonight.
Wishing you a joyful Christmas and abundant year 2024. Daghang salamat and God bless us all.
As we leave tonight, we have other gifts to be thankful for: the company of dear friends and the love of a happy family. That is what we have now here in this room. That is what I wish for you all. To family and friends, next year, babawi pa tayo. Merry Christmas, everyone.